Hi, my name is Hannah, and this is the Commons Apartment. Come on in and check it out. So here's our kitchen area. We have an oven, sink, refrigerator, and we also have a kitchen table. We have all of our couches in our living space over here. We brought our own couch to add some extra living space, so all the brown couches are included. This is my room, and I'm in the front room, so there's a window behind these curtains. I have my chair over here in the corner to get away, my TV, my desk to study over here, and then a closet area right there. Then you can go into the bathrooms area. So in the Commons, we have to share a bathroom with one other person, and there's another bathroom in the back. So here's just a little sneak peek of the bathroom. Now let's go to our common area. This area is great just to hang out outside. Sometimes we have programs where we can cook out here and use the space outside to sit on the picnic tables, hang your Eno. Now let's go into our common area. So in here we have pool table, ping pong table, some sitting areas, and then the laundry room is this way. So this is our laundry room area. We have about 5 washers and about 8 dryers for students to use. Now it's time for me to go fold my laundry. See you guys later.